Hoya Biology. Floral Symmetry Patterns by M HARTLEY at Rare Garden Blooms. Good morning. Floral symmetry patterns in Hoyas, like many other flowering plants, play a significant role in attracting and facilitating pollination by specific pollinators. The distinctive floral structures of Hoyas exhibit various symmetry patterns, including radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry, which have evolved to optimize pollination efficiency and ensure successful reproductive success. Understanding the biological significance of floral symmetry in Hoyas sheds light on the intricate interactions between plants and their pollinators, highlighting the fascinating adaptations that have arisen over time. One of the key aspects of floral symmetry in Hoyas is the presence of radial symmetry, where floral organs are arranged symmetrically around a central axis, giving the flower a circular or star-like appearance when viewed from above. This radial symmetry is thought to enhance the visibility of the flower to pollinators approaching from all directions. In the case of Hoyas, which often rely on nocturnal pollinators like moths, the radial symmetry of their flowers allows for easy recognition and access to nectar sources in dim lighting conditions. The star-shaped flowers of many Hoyas, characterized by their symmetrical arrangement of petals and reproductive structures, serve as beacons for pollinators seeking food and mating opportunities during the night. In addition to radial symmetry, some species of Hoyas exhibit bilateral symmetry in their flowers, where the floral structure can be divided into two mirror image halves along a central axis. Bilateral symmetry is often associated with specialized pollination strategies, as it directs pollinators towards specific entry points or resources within the flower. In the case of Hoyas with bilateral flowers, the asymmetrical arrangement of floral parts guides pollinators towards the nectar or pollen-rich areas, promoting targeted visitation and efficient pollen transfer between flowers. This adaptation reflects the co-evolutionary relationship between Hoyas and their pollinators, where floral symmetry serves as a visual and functional cue to enhance pollination success. The evolutionary significance of floral symmetry in Hoyas lies in its role in attracting and manipulating the behavior of pollinators to ensure effective pollination. By evolving distinct symmetry patterns, Hoyas have optimized their reproductive success by increasing pollinator visitation rates and improving the accuracy of pollen transfer between flowers. The diversity of floral symmetry patterns observed in different Hoya species reflects the range of pollinators they have co-evolved with, including moths, bees, and flies, each with unique foraging behaviors and preferences. Furthermore, the genetic basis of floral symmetry in Hoyas involves the coordinated expression of genes involved in floral development and patterning. Box genes, which regulate the formation of floral organs and the establishment of floral symmetry, play a crucial role in shaping the floral architecture of Hoyas. Mutations or variations in these gene pathways can lead to alterations in floral symmetry patterns, resulting in morphological diversity within the genus. Studying the genetic mechanisms underlying floral symmetry in Hoyas provides insights into the developmental processes and evolutionary forces driving the diversification of floral forms in plants. In conclusion, the floral symmetry patterns observed in Hoyas represent a fascinating biological phenomenon shaped by the plant's interactions with its pollinators and the underlying genetic mechanisms controlling floral development. The diverse symmetry patterns exhibited by different Hoya species reflect their evolutionary adaptations to specific pollination strategies and ecological niches. By understanding the significance of floral symmetry in Hoyas, we gain valuable insights into the complex relationships between plants and pollinators, highlighting the beauty and functionality of nature's intricate designs. Maintaining a continuous bloom of flowers throughout the growing season is crucial for providing a consistent food source for bees and supporting their populations. Here are some tips to help you achieve a continuous bloom of flowers in your garden to attract bees. 1. Choose a variety of plants with staggered blooming periods. Select a diverse range of flowering plants that bloom at different times throughout the year. Include early spring bloomers, summer flowers, and fall blooming plants to ensure there are always flowers available for bees to forage. 2. Plan your garden layout. Design your garden to include plants that bloom successively, ensuring a continuous supply of nectar and pollen for bees. Arrange plants in groupings or clusters based on their bloom times to create a visually appealing and pollinator-friendly garden. 3. Use plant combinations. Pair early blooming plants with late bloomers to provide a seamless transition between flowering periods. Consider companion planting to maximize space and extend the bloom time of different plant species. 4. Include a mix of annuals and perennials. Incorporate a mix of annual and perennial flowers in your garden to maintain a prolonged bloom period. Annuals often bloom quickly and abundantly, while perennials provide long-lasting blooms year after year. 5. Choose bee-friendly plants. Select plants that are attractive to bees and other pollinators, such as native wildflowers, herbs, and flowering shrubs. Look for plant species with open, accessible flowers that provide ample nectar and pollen for bees. 6. Consider plant diversity. Include a variety of flower shapes, sizes, colors, and scents to attract a wide range of bee species with different foraging preferences. Diversity in plant species promotes biodiversity and supports a healthy ecosystem. 7. Practice deadheading. Regularly deadhead faded flowers to promote continuous blooming and encourage plants to produce new flower buds. Deadheading redirects plant energy towards new growth and flowering, extending the bloom period. 8. Provide supplemental water. Ensure plants have sufficient moisture during dry periods to support healthy growth and flower production. Water plants consistently to prevent drought stress and promote continuous blooms throughout the season. 9. Fertilize carefully. Avoid over-fertilizing, as excessive nutrients can lead to lush foliage at the expense of flower production. Use organic fertilizers sparingly to promote balanced growth and abundant blooms. 10. Monitor plant health. Regularly inspect plants for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies that may impact flower production. Address any issues promptly to maintain plant vigor and support continuous blooming. By incorporating these tips into your gardening practices, you can create a garden environment that provides a continuous bloom of flowers for bees, ensuring a stable food source and habitat for these essential pollinators throughout the growing season. Supporting bee populations with a diverse and abundant supply of flowers benefits both the bees and your garden ecosystem as a whole. Please like and subscribe. Follow us for more Hoya biology and care tips. Enjoy gardening.
Binenta yung halaman sa ng insect.
Dito na. Dali ate, dali.